Hi children, today we are going to learn 6 Mathematics Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Topic Angle. In this video, today we are going to cover the topics are angle, interior, exterior and boundary of the angles, degree measure of angles and exercise 4.4. First, we are going to learn angle definition. An angle is defined as a figure formed by two rays with the same starting point. Look at this picture. There are two rays that are BA and BC that form an angle. The common point is called the vertex of the angle, while rays forming the angle are its arms. Angle ABC, or else you can write angle B. Here vertex equal to B. The two arms are, what are they? BA and BC. Interior and exterior of the angle. First one, interior of the angle. The part consisting of all those points which lie between the arms of the angle is called interior of the angle. Look at this picture. Here A, B, C, D. These points lies between the arms. So we can say that interior of the angles. Then exterior of the angle. The part consisting of all those points which lie outside the arms of the angle is called the exterior of the angle. Look at this picture here. A, B, C, D. These points lie outside the arms. So we can say that exterior of the angle. Boundary of the angle. The part consisting of all those points which lie on the arms of the angle is called the boundary of the angle. Look at this picture. Here A, B, C, D. All points lies on the arms. So we can say that boundary of the angle. Let us try now. In the given figure, name the points. First one, in the interior of angle AOB, solution. In the interior of angle AOB equal to CEJ. The points lies between the arms. So we can write these points. Then second one, in the exterior of angle AOB. Exterior means those points lies outside the arms, isn't it? Yes. Now you can write in the exterior of angle AOB equal to F, G, H and I. Then third one, on the boundary of the angle AOB. On the boundary means those points lies on the boundary means you can write yes, on the boundary of angle AOB equal to A, B, D and O. Example 4.7. Name all possible angles in the given figure. Look at this picture. Now you are going to write all the angles. First one AOD and second one AOC and third one AOB. Fourth one DOC. Then fifth one DOB. Then sixth one COB. Degree measure of angles. The standard unit for measuring an angle is degree, denoted by degree. Zero angle. Look at this picture. If the vertical and final positions of a ray coincide without any revolution, the angle formed is 0 degree, or else you can say 0 angle. Then right angle. Look at this picture. A quarter turn of a ray OA about 0 describes an angle called right angle, and its measures is 90 degree. Straight angle. Look at this picture that shows 180 degree, isn't it? A half revolution of a ray OA about O describes an angle called a straight angle. It measures 180 degree. Complete angle. Look at this picture. Now, a complete revolution of a ray OA about O describes an angle called the complete angle. It measures 360 degree. Exercise 4.4. First one. How many angles are formed in figures given below? Count and name them. Say, look at this picture, P, Q, or S. Now we are going to write all the angles, isn't it? Yes, P, Q, or S. Now write all the angles. P, angle Q, angle S, angle R. Then we can form angle PQS, then angle SQR, angle PSQ, and angle RSQ. Number of angles equal to 8. Then look at this picture. We can form an angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle E. There are 5 angles, isn't it? Yes, right. Number of angles equal to 5. Second one, in the given figure, name the points. First one, in the interior of angle APX. Solution. In the interior of angle APX, this interior means points which lies in between the arms, isn't it? Yes. Now write RSY. Then second one, in the exterior of angle APX. Exterior means that's outside of the arms, isn't it? Yes. Right now, in the exterior of angle APX equal to D and G. Then on the boundary of angle APX, that is, look at this one. Yes. On the boundary of angle APX equal to ABPCX. Look at the figure and fill in the blanks. First one, point B is in the interior of angle AOC and dash. Here look at this picture, angle AOC. What is an interior point? That is angle AOD. Point C is in the interior of angle BOD and angle AOD. Points C and dash lie in the exterior of angle AOB. What is that point? Point D. Then points A and dash lie in the exterior of angle COD, the point B. Point C lies on dash and angle COD. What is that answer? That is angle AOC. Points B and C lie in the interior of dash. Look at this picture, option B and C. Where is it? Yes, angle AOD. How many degrees are there in the following angles? 3 right angles. As you know that one right angle equal to 90 degree. Now we are going to measure three right angles, isn't it? So 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. When you add these three 90 degrees, will get 270 degree. 2 by 3 right angle, right? 2 by 3 right angle equal to 2 by 3 multiplied with 90 degree. When you simplify, will get 2 multiplied with 30 degree. When you multiply 2 and 30 degree, will get 60 degree. 1 by 2 right angle. Here that is given in mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction, isn't it? Yes. So when you convert into improper fraction, we'll get 3 by 2 multiplied with 90 degree. So when you simplify, we'll get 3 multiplied with 45 degree. 345 degrees are 135 degree. Fifth one, a man is standing facing north. Which direction will he face? If he makes 1 by 2 revolution clockwise, say draw the directions. That is clockwise means north, east, south, west, isn't it? Yes. So first we make a round, that is 1. Again we have off, isn't it? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 revolution means he will reach south. So right direction faced equal to south. If he makes 3 by 4 of revolution anticlockwise, so draw the directions. Anticlockwise means north, west, south, east, isn't it? So we have to move 3 boxes, isn't it? So he will face east. Direction faced equal to east. If he makes 1 by 2 of revolution clockwise, so draw the directions. Clockwise means north, east, south, west, isn't it? Yes. Now you have to move off. So he will face the south direction. Right? Direction faced equal to south. Find the number of right angles turned by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 12. Take a clock, and first one that is given 3 and 12. How many right angles are there? 1, 2, 3. So you can write 3 right angles. 2 to 8. Now first ray goes, what is that one? 2, and second ray goes 8. How many right angles are there? Only 2, isn't it? Yes, that is 2 right angles. 10 to 1. So first ray goes to 10 and second ray goes to 1. How many right angles are there? Only one right angle, isn't it? So you can write one right angle. Thank you so much for watching this video.